this what you make it. My shit been amazing, I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places, I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase, nobody see my face. I was chasing at the paper, been all for the ways, but everything again, ain't nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules, I've been making moves.
And guys, we are officially back. So pretty much at this point, I was gonna actually head down to Smog. We didn't go to Smog because we figured just want to start working on the car. I really want to start wrapping this thing. I really want to show you guys the wrap exactly. And it is honestly a very, very, very bright color. My boy Alon with orange. I went with the purple a long time ago. And my brother really wanted something to pop on the road while we do a bunch of other little things to the car. And I think this is a very, very, very interesting color, but I think it's gonna be really, really, really cool at the same time, especially because we're getting a lot of carbon fiber bits for this car. So I think it's gonna stand out really nice, especially if you get some black wheels or paint these wheels black. I think either or, it's gonna look really sick with this color. But yeah, guys, here is the color. Oh my lord, say hello to bright yellow.
You'd be like, what is that, man?
First off, Cheetah Wraps, guys, you get this big old roll. People always ask me, how much wrap do you need for your car? With 3M and Avery, you have to be kind of picky at how much you order because you can order by the foot, you know, like, and it gets really expensive real quick. This whole roll is like 380 bucks, and it can wrap like a car and a half. It's 5 by 75 feet. This is Cheetah Wraps. I'm not really promoting them because they didn't really sponsor the video, but at the same time, their wrap isn't bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. So for the money, I think it's really, really, really worth it. And if anything ends up peeling over time, you'll have so much extra wrap to refix that issue and whatever. So yeah, without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start cleaning up some of the panels on this thing and just start getting into wrapping. just like that, guys, we have this side done. This is take 2, guys, because I accidentally forgot the microphone on. This is a brand new camera setup. As you guys can see, some really good quality, honestly. Look at my nails and stuff. Really good quality, but for some dang reason, you have to turn on the microphone and turn it off, and that's kind of annoying. I'm not used to this. I'm used to my G7X. But anyway, guys, as you guys can see, this thing's really coming together. The car is looking a lot better. These wheels are really throwing it off. Like, we either need to paint these things black pronto, or we need to get some new wheels pronto. But yeah, we went ahead and cleaned up all the window trims. The windows are tinted as well, so that's super nice. These door handles need a lot of cleaning because they have some water stains on them and a little bit of a blue markup on it. But other than that, again, this car is really coming together. It's looking so good on this side. Our goal is to literally complete both quarter panels, which we did, both doors, and then what else are we doing to the front end of the out?
We're hoping we have enough time for the 2 fenders and the hood.
Okay.
And also these 2 doors.
Yeah, so we got about 5 more panels to go.
5 more panels to go.
Oof, all right, let's just get into it, guys. Alright guys, so we just finished up this side as well. I don't know if this camera is picking up. I need to probably play with the coloring. But yeah, we just finished this side, thank the Lord. The next thing is going to be the hood and fenders. We really want to knock out as much things as possible. But yeah, door handles are on there. Both doors are done. Quarter panels are done on both sides. So it's really coming together. Like, I want to leave the roof the way it is, but these trim pieces on both sides are completely shot, so we need to replace those. But we also did these as well, and I think they came out pretty dang good. But yeah, guys, our next mission is gonna have to be the hood. I want to do the hood. I mean, the fenders could probably be like, you know, just probably a better transition, but we really want to knock out the hood so we can just knock out the fenders after. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the hood. Alright guys, and just like that, after about 45 minutes, the hood is officially done. We have the emblem on there. We didn't actually put on this top piece of the grill just yet, mainly because we ordered some new grills. I don't really want to put the old ones back because they're kind of corroded and stuff. It was a super pain to even put it and take it off in the first place. So yeah, anyhow, the hood is officially wrapped. Actually looking really good. I think my brother and I are going to do a challenge real quick. Where you are? Where you at, bro? Where you at? Where you at?
What's going on?
So do you want to do a challenge real quick that basically you put like a piece of wrap on both sides of both fenders, and whoever that can finish it first is the winner? I don't know. We should probably do some kind of prize too, but
so yeah, what's the prize?
I don't know, bro. What do you want to do? when you realize they're on a budget. I would say a lunch, but honestly guys, we're just gonna do a little friendly competition. We have 2 fenders left. Let's see who can actually wrap it first. Let's lay on both parts and then actually start the challenge. You down for it?
I'm down.
All right, just so we can knock it off at the same time, guys, because honestly, we have 2 doors, quarter panel, 2 more doors, quarter panel, the hood. If we can knock out both fenders, that's a lot of work for one day, bro, and I'd be super hyped for that. All right guys, so actually instead of doing the fenders in today, because we pretty much wrapped like 4 doors, 2 quarter panels, and a hood, me and my brother are very tired in terms of wrapping, aren't we, dude?
Yeah, it's exhausting.
Yeah, and my boy Nick hit us up, and we've got a couple things we got to get coated on this car. We thought we had a TPMS issue, but thankfully the TPMS ended up clearing away once we reset that, which is great. We do have this seat sensor. I think it's the seat sensor. We're not actually we're gonna try to figure out what that is, if it is the seat sensor or it's gonna be the tensioner. We'll see if we have to end up replacing that or not. So I'll let you guys know what goes down with that exactly. And then in terms of our brake light and traction control light, we need to figure that out as well. That's mint, because that's just the seatbelt light, I guess. And then last but not least, we also do have the PDC sensors. You guys saw that we ended up removing the whole PDC harness for the rear because we didn't want to drill any holes and stuff like that into our new rear bumper. So yeah, we're gonna have to probably coat out the PDC as well. We'll let y'all know how this stuff goes, but so far I guess so. Good. All right, I'll keep y'all posted. All right, guys, so shout out to Nick. We have officially no lights on the dash, which looks super good. We do have a little error because our 2 fog lights need to be coated out. We're gonna be using Carly to code those 2 out. But yeah, I mean, oof, this thing's looking so good. You guys can see the yellow from the doors and everything. I think we did a lot of work today, didn't we?
We're tired.
Bro, I can't even speak right now. But yeah, super happy about it. But without further ado, guys, it's gonna have to conclude this video. Hopefully in the next video, gonna be wrapping up pretty much the rest of the car for the most part. So if you guys are excited for that, make sure to smash the like button. If you guys are also excited for the mods about to throw on this thing, make sure to smash the like button. Without further ado, I love y'all so much. Remember to stay humble. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth.